Hi, I'm Ryan Long with the Sue Long Realty Group at Keller Williams. Who's ready for a spring roll? Not that kind of spring roll. We're at the 9th Annual Corvallis Spring Roll here at Cloverland Park.
This is Corvallis Spring Roll. It's about 3/4 of a mile, a little more. The kids are encouraged to use mini laps as they want, and it goes from 29th all the way to 23rd. It just makes a nice big rectangle. The kids can stop, right, get a sticker if they want, just keep going for an hour and then wear themselves out.
Are you having fun today? How many laps have you gone around the park? Probably like 10 or 15?
Go girl, you got this. Go girl.
All the encouragement, huh? Do you know her? How many laps have you done?
He did 3.
Like 100?
3.
Probably 3.
I've already gone around, but this is the second.
Probably biking around like 20 times.
You went around 20 times?
Yeah.
Wow, you know it's like 3/4 of a mile, so that's like 15 miles, I think. Yeah. You might need a nap this afternoon, you think? No. What's the youngest participant that is out here today? Do you know?
I don't know, but I mean, I've seen less than 2-year-old. I mean, you stick them on a balance bike and whatever. They can run around with everyone else.
Yeah.
It's all good.
What was your favorite part of the event today?
Like the slack, like with the jumps and stuff.
Oh, over here, you did some of the jumps?
Yeah.
Did you get some good air?
Yeah.
Did you do any of the water cannon or anything else yet?
Yeah, I love the water cannon.
You love the water cannon? We're gonna go check it out. We might need somebody to demonstrate how awesome it is. You wanna race? You wanna race? Is this gonna be a race? I think I'm gonna beat you. What do you think? Yeah, I'm gonna beat you. Woohoo! Felt like I was doing all the work. When I stopped pedaling, we just kind of stopped. Next time I need to find some workhorses to help me out. You doing another lap? You wanna race? Think you can beat me? Wanna race? Wanna race? Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Race, race! Faster, faster! Good job, man! You are fast! Holy moly! Still going. Good job, man. I think you beat me. I don't have very good brakes.